everyone, in this video we are going to look into the formal letter which appears in the IELTS general writing section. Now let us look into directly what is a formal letter. In IELTS general writing section, you might be asked to write a formal letter to a company or authority. For example, you may need to write a letter to request information, to make a complaint, or to apply for a job. So these are some of the examples wherein you need to be writing a formal letter. Here's an example question. You should spend about 20 minutes on this task. You want to rent out a small apartment to a family and you have decided to advertise it. Write a letter to the editor of a local newspaper asking to advertise your ad on the front page of the newspaper. In your letter, what you can include is, firstly, give details of the ad that you want to publish. Mention that you want the ad to be published on the front page and say how you would like to pay for the advertisement. So these are the details which are required to be included in the formal letter, and accordingly you need to write the letter. Now here's an example of a formal letter solution. So let us see what is the formal letter solution. Now, dear sir or madam, you can start with this. I am a resident of Longan City and I thought that your local but very popular newspaper would be a great platform to publish my ad for renting my small apartment. This advertisement should include information like how many persons can stay in the apartment, what kind of amenities or services it offers to its tenants, and how long the initial lease should be. Apart from these, the advertisement should include my contact details so that prospective tenants can contact me. So this would be one of the paragraphs. Then next paragraph, so based on the information above that I want you to publish an advert for me in your newspaper, and I think that it should be a few lines long. But regardless of how many lines or words should my advertisement contain, I want it to be published on the front page of your newspaper so that it gets a maximum number of views. In the next paragraph, you can speak about the cost. Yes, so you can say, as for the payment of the publishing cost of the ad, please send me an invoice citing the amount of money to be paid, and I will immediately send a check to you. If you want, I could deposit the money into your bank account also. Yes, and then you can close it. I hope to hear from you soon. Yours faithfully, Peter Lazarus. So this should be your letter. So this is a formal letter which appears in the IELTS general writing section. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please hit the like button. In order to receive more updates on this particular information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.